So I went to beauty school, I passed my state board, now I'm a nail tech, but I don't have any clients. Where am I going to find the client and how the client's going to find me? Are you facing the same problem? Let me know if you're facing the same problem. Beginners nail tech, veteran nail tech, whoever's struggling with finding clientele in the nail industry, let me know. Are you facing the same problem? Because if you are, today we are going to solve this problem together. Welcome to the Thai Life. My name is Min. I am a nail technician for 15 plus years, and all I want to do is share with you all my knowledge, all my experience, so that you can become a great nail tech. Finding clients is going to be the biggest question in every nail tech's mind. They might not say out loud, but I know it's true. Because why will you not worry about your clients? The client is what's going to support your career. And as a beginner's nail tech or a veteran's nail tech, I know there's a lot of people out there are struggling finding the next client, are struggling to keep their book full. And that is one thing that we have to really maintain, is our book to be full, so that we know our schedule, we know how much we're going to make, and we're able to know if we're able to support our family with what we make. So today, I'm going to share with you a couple tips that's going to help you find your first clientele and more in 2022. The first thing you have to do is you have to get with social media. I know you probably hear that everywhere. Oh yeah, social media, it's working. If you know it's working, why are you not doing it? That is the question I have for you. You have to ask yourself, as a nail tech coming out from the industry, I don't know you. Even you are so great at what you do, but if I don't know you, how am I going to find you? That's a hard question right there. So the answer to that question is, you have to market yourself. As a nail tech, you are a self-business person, meaning you have to market yourself. You have to let me know what you do and how you do it. And the only way you're going to let me know nowadays in 2022 is through social media. If you have Facebook, and I'm sure most of you have social media all signed up, but y'all just a viewer. But if you are a nail tech, y'all need to be the creator. Y'all need to show the world your work. Okay? Y'all need to show the world your work. If you have Facebook, educate your friends and family. Let them know, oh, I start working as a nail tech at this location. This is my work hours. This is what I do. This is the service that I serve. You have to let them know. And you probably thinking like, yeah, I do let them know that. But do you let them know consistently? You know how fast life moves already? You know everybody have things to do. They need a reminder. And that's why it's important that you guys are consistent about posting stuff every day. Now, that was on Facebook, sharing your storyline and all that. When it comes to Instagram, Instagram is going to be your key marketing when it comes to the nail, because all the trend is located in Instagram, y'all. So if y'all want to see any type of nail trend, y'all just pop on Instagram. Y'all see so many inspirational nail pictures, right? So imagine, why can't your work be the inspirational picture? You see what I'm saying, y'all? So y'all gotta get with the program. Post every day. But y'all probably thinking like, oh nah, because my work's not that good, I don't. Look, don't even worry about who's laughing at you. Nobody's laughing at you. Because if they don't like it, they just gonna scroll it up. Or they just don't give you a heart. You feel me? So what you need to do is just post your work every day. Let's say y'all in school. Y'all can start posting your work the moment you're in school and build that portfolio. Couple things about posting every day is important. Let me tell y'all why. Because people remember your username. People are going to keep seeing you popping up, and they're going to get tired of you. But they're going to appreciate it because Trust me, when they bored, they appreciate any content. Okay? That's one thing. And when you start posting your contents every day, you're gonna see the change in your career with the content. The first couple posts, it's gonna look ugly. But as you go forward, you're gonna see some beautiful change. And the clients, or the future clients, when they view that, they're gonna see how much you change. Okay? That's why y'all gotta post. I ain't even kidding, man. Let me show y'all. Look, y'all think I'm playing around. Let me show y'all my Instagram. Okay, if I go onto my message, right? I got people just messaging me like constantly, like non-stop. Okay, look, it's just loading non-stop. Okay, when I start building my business, I start out with Instagram with 0 follower, and I just post every day. Even though when I started my business, the work wasn't that great. But it was our only way to build business. I kid you not. If y'all post every day, and it doesn't matter if y'all don't have any clients and y'all got no nail picture, post something about your life that you're doing with nails. It has to relate it to it. You gotta pick a niche and you post on it. I guarantee you, now you're marketing yourself. Now people gonna see you, people gonna know you, and you're gonna start having a lot of like DM, direct messages. Okay? So now, what you need to do when you get those direct messages, you better respond to it. You got to respond to it, because you cannot let your viewers and your potential clients hang. Okay? That's the second thing. Is first was what? Facebook. We got Instagram. Now you got TikTok. New platform. Everybody's zoning into that. Post some of your work on there. Okay? Who cares about 1 views, 2 views? Who cares? Somebody's watching you. And I guarantee you, I've also found myself getting a lot of booking through TikTok and Instagram. So I want to share that with y'all. So if y'all ever feel like y'all hungry for client, y'all do that. But y'all gotta be consistent, because I kid you not, during COVID, I didn't post a lot because I wasn't doing a lot. I was just focusing on my family. I see a big drop in the viewers, in the people who's following you. So you gotta continue on, because when they follow you, meaning they love what you're doing. Okay? So you gotta have a lot of confidence and continue giving them what they want. And that's how you get a lot of booking, y'all. That's how you get a lot of booking. Last but not least, I'm gonna share with y'all one thing that I bet you a lot of people probably don't do. And this one is really good for those of y'all who's working at a salon as a booth rental. Y'all independent, okay? Let me teach y'all one thing. Did you sign up for Google Business? Do you know that you as an individual can sign up for Google Business as a brand of like Nails by Leslie? You know what I mean? You gotta have your own Google, because why? Let's say if I was the client and I'm around your area and all I have to do is type nails, you will pop up with the business that you're in. So here comes the building that you're in. That business is gonna be listed on Google, and also your name's gonna be listed on Google. So they get to see you and book with you directly. And that is another way for the clients to find you. You see? That is so awesome, right? So the reason why I find that working is because that's what I'm doing. I'm at this salon. I got my Instagram going. I got my TikTok going. People calling me on my phone through Google search. That is how you get yourself out there as a nail tech, beginner, veteran, whoever you are. It works, y'all. It works. So remember, you gotta be consistent, and you gotta be responsive to what they're asking you, and you gotta continue posting every day on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Even if you have a YouTube channel, post something on their short. It doesn't hurt. And look, some of y'all probably be thinking like, oh, I don't got time. Look, let me teach y'all one more thing before I go, yo. Before I go, let me teach you one more thing. Is all the hashtag that is important to you related to your niche, save that on your phone. So because when you start a picture, a video, something, you just have to post the video and you got all the hashtag saved. You just copy and paste. And look, y'all, hashtags is important. Hashtags nail, hashtags Nailtech, hashtags acrylic, hashtags monomer, hashtags 559 Fresno, your location. Y'all gotta do all of that. Save it, and then boom, shift it to each post every day, 1 time a day, 2 times a day if you got more time. But I tell you, man, I tell you, if you take this advice right here, you're gonna start out your nail tech career amazing, awesome, and you're gonna have clients waiting for you. You know what I mean? And if you find value in this video of what I just shared that's going to help you out, make sure you like this video, y'all. That really means a lot to the YouTube, because when you like this video, it's gonna share to all the nail tech struggling out there that needs to hear what I just say. And if y'all want more content, check this video out. And please, you know what's up, subscribe to the channel. I'll see y'all next time.